enough, I have a graph which shows me how much energy it takes to go to a certain place in Kerbal's solar system. But yeah, Juna has a very low, a very the opposite of dense. I don't know. It has a very light atmosphere, so you can start going flat very fast. I think you want to go a little up because there's still you can't underestimate it. I don't really know when you need to go when you need to really start going flat, but I think it's pretty fast. I think its atmosphere height was 50 kilometers. That's where it drops off. I'm looking at my fuel and I don't really know if I can make it to EK. But gonna die trying, I guess. At least plant a flag over there. Already used 1,000. Holy fudge, that goes fast. I think I should have landed a little bit more on the equator of Juna. I've kind of shot myself in the foot. Although the moon is very close, so I think it won't be that hard to get an encounter with it. And also it's moving very fast, so I guess we've also got that going for us. But damn, the Delta V already used almost half of it. Scary stuff. Okay, we're at apoapsis. Let's circularize and also immediately get to the height of EK. Let's see, will we start with 1700 delta V? Let's see how much it takes to go to EK. Nah, not that much. It's alright. Okay. So we want to burn somewhere, no, just at the ascending node. That's where we want to do our burn. And to make our orbit just big enough so we reach it on our next pass. Go prograde so we can see so we can make our orbit as easily as big as possible. Just watch periapsis so we can see, get it to the smallest as possible. We can also look here. Okay. Got it. I think it's also best if you just hit it straight on. Like so. Let's hope we have enough fuel. 1300 left. And now this suicide burn countdown comes in really handy. Where is this planet? There it is. It says we have 1 minute and 14 seconds of time left. So suicide burn countdown and time to impact can't, be too much different from that. Seems like it's about 30 seconds or 20. So should have enough for this. 30 seconds. This is the number you don't want to miss. Everything else you can kind of do, a little bit, by the rule of thumb. But this one is a more important number. But I won't miss it, of course. And there we go. Try to keep it between 0 seconds and 4 seconds. Seems like it will take 15 seconds of fuel, which is no problem. Cut down on the engines a little. For some reason the suicide burn countdown increases. But this seems to be going really well. It's a really small body EK. Okay. Pushed the wrong button there, but never mind. Okay, going very well. Perfect. Oh, seems like if we got to also repack the parachute, can also do that right now. You can't use it in staging again for some reason, so you have to manually deploy it. PK is done. I think we'll make it. If we don't, I guess we can just use another spacecraft to get these guys back. Although that's a lot of work, so I don't really want to do it. But that would also be a nice objective. But now we can. Now we are on the moon. Now we're on the moon, and we want to go back. There's also a nice little trick you can do to save fuel. Forgot to turn off my cap. Okay, now here you can go flat, almost. No, don't go entirely flat. But if there's one planet where you can do it, it's here. Oh, this is going to be very close. Don't know how much fuel it takes to get back from Juna to Kerbal. But you want to make sure that you want to brake from Juna. So you want your escape trajectory or you escape, to kind of go like to go that way, to go from as you see it now. No, you can see this line. No, it's going to the right. So when you escape trajectory, go to the left to brake. So you want to come down from well, from here, so that your speed is going that way to the left. So you want to start falling down from this place. So once you fall down, very close to when you start falling down very close to Juna, you have all the speed you need. Okay, this is going to take ages, so we need to go to a higher orbit. $50,000, it says. I think we should have done this when we were still on the planet, but didn't think of that. Okay, this is better. Perfect. And we're also already at the right place. So as you can see, now we get to... maybe we should have done it a little earlier. Let's go another one around. And do it a little earlier. Maybe here. Okay, so this is this seems kind of right. Yeah. Let's look at it. Let's get that red line. Yeah, I think this is fine. In 4 minutes. There we go, and I think we're also still going up, and now we want to get this orbit as flat as possible, so we can use all our speed in the right direction when we leave Juna. And the best place to do this is when you're going to slowest, which is at apoapsis. We're going up right now, so we want to burn downwards. And it seems we have 100 meters per second left. Is this enough? I don't know. Seems like I got it wrong. It isn't really at the right place. It seems like it takes 300 fuel. Well, I guess we're gonna have to pick them up. Let's at least leave the sphere of influence of Juna, so we can pick them up from the solar system. Just from orbiting around the sun, which takes a lot of precision, but it can be done. And hey, That's also great material for another video. Guess I should have made the rockets bigger. Where should I have? I didn't take into. I should have realized that you need to be at this place, but only if you're going very very fast. Because now it takes this curve, so I should have dropped down from here and not from here where I did it. So learn a new thing. But too late for these Kerbals. Well, not too late. We can just pick them up. At least we've planted 2 flags. And it's still easy to leave the sphere of influence of Juno. Oh, maybe we can. I just saw that we encountered. Can we use this to leave easier? Make leaving a little bit easier. Where does this take us? It doesn't show. But it looks like... Oh... Well, it doesn't really go in... It doesn't really make us go faster or stronger. Faster or slower. So it doesn't really matter. Nine meters per second left. I think it takes about 100 to go back to Kerbal. Guess we should have given the Kerbal parachutes. Nope, dead in the water. But that is a subject for another video, where I guess I'm gonna rescue these Kerbals from orbit around the sun. Till next time.